Hi guys, Quark here with another video, and today I will be teaching you how to create a add role and remove role command. So this is the first episode of the moderation commands. Code dot, and last time we did remind command, right? And today we'll be creating a new folder, which is moderation, and I'll just copy ping. Let's rename it to be add role. Category moderation. Let's just say give role and add role to a user, and then we remove all of these. I'll make a copy of this to be remove role. Take role from a user. Alright, so first let's start off with permission. So if message.members.has permission. Whoops, I forget this. Manage roles. Return message.channel.send no permission. And above here, I'm just gonna do variables perms and execution. So right here would be const user equal. I'll just do let user equal message.guild.members.cache.get arg0 or message.mentions.members.first. Sometimes it doesn't work, I'm not sure why, like either one of these. And then if I do, if there's no user, return message.channel.send user is missing. And then I'll do another let find role equal arg1, and const role will be equal to message.guild.roles.cache.get.find r, and then r.name.include find role. Or you can just do arg1. So if there's no role, return message.channel.send could not find that role. And right here, if I do message.channel.send backtick, and let's do user now has the role, and then it should be user.roles.add role.id. Whoops. So that's it for add role. And I'm just gonna remove this and copy and paste. Copy, paste, remove role. From a user. And then for remove role, I'll just say, yep, I'm just gonna fix this so it should be role. Role has been, wait, role has been removed from user. And this one from add, it should be removed. Alright, so let's try run the bot up. No dot. Logged in. And right here, let's do dash. First. Clear, okay. So if I do, for example, if I want to add Quark role, let's see what role I have. Test role 1 and test role 2. I'll just add another. Nah, I won't delete new role. If I do dash add role, it will say no permission. Wait, I don't have permission to manage role. Let me check. Oops, okay. So add role, it will say, wait, what? Why is it still no permission? Let me rerun the bot. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm sorry. It should be doesn't have the role. No dot. So it should be add role and then it will say user is missing. If I do add role Quark, okay, that doesn't work. Add role and I'll just copy the ID. It should say role catch.find in the add role, right? Message dot cache dot find. Same here. I don't know how does the get come from. Clear no dot. If I do dash add role, it will say couldn't find that role because the role is missing here. So if I do dash add role and then if I call it it will say could not find that role again. But if I do test role 1, wait, I think it should be .rx1 args.slice 1.join like this because we have what's it called, the spaces. So if I do test role 1, it will say Quark now has test role 1. If I do add role, whoops, test role 2, it will give the test role 2. So if I do dash remove role, I'm just gonna copy this. Remove role, test role 1, the role will be removed from Quark. And if I do remove role 2, it would remove the role from Quark. So the good thing about this is you don't have to add test role 1. So the good thing is the user won't be pinged. Like for example, if you have the allow anyone to mention this role. So the good thing is you can just use this to search for a role, and this one won't ping a user as well. But well, this one will. So you can make it inside an embed or just make change from user to user.tag, something like that. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like it, and next video I will do something like let's say slow mode. Yep, probably I'll do slow mode next time. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and If you got any problem, feel free to join my Discord server or comment down below. But please join my Discord server so we can make the server more active. And see you guys in the next video.